But bro, are you ready for tomorrow? Guy, we only have tonight to prepare for this thing. I'm not coming back to write this thing, I swear. Hello, mommy, guess what? I got the job.
Must be moving faster than we know. And we know. Goodbye. I've always had a problem with goodbyes. I wipe away the pain before it dries. Before it's dry.
My guy! Bro, I don't buy that new people. I swear, guys, brand new, look the combo.
Yeah, where the party at?
As I don't carry you anywhere. I don't carry you anywhere, go buy you. Go buy you, bro. No worry.
Everything's changing. The faces and the scenes.
She gave me a second chance, man.
I'm holding a moment.
With everything that happened before.
Castles in the sand, yeah, they gonna fall down.
God, this is it. I think I'm going to propose. I said I've never been more sure of anything in my life.
Maybe change is all I'll ever know. Yeah, maybe change is all I'll ever know.